In this video, I'm going to show you how to add live chat to your LeadPages landing pages, step by step. Stick around till the end, because I'll not only show you how to make this work, but I'll also reveal a powerful alternative that's a better option for adding live chat and more features to your landing pages. So let's jump straight into it. To add live chat to LeadPages, the first thing you'll need is a third-party live chat provider, because LeadPages doesn't offer built-in live chat functionality. Some popular ones you can use are Tidio, Intercom, and Drift. I'll walk you through using Tidio, but the process is quite similar for the others. Next thing, head to the Tidio website and sign up for an account. You can get started with a free version, which is great for small businesses or just getting your feet wet with live chat. After you've created your account, log in and go to the dashboard. The third thing, once you're in the dashboard, look for the integration settings. Tidio makes it really easy to add the chat widget to your website or landing page. You'll find an option for LeadPages there, and you can just click to add it. Tidio will provide you with a unique script that you'll need to copy. Next thing, go over to your LeadPages account. Open the landing page you want to add the live chat to and go to the settings menu. There, you'll find an option to add custom HTML or JavaScript. Paste the Tidio script into the section. The fourth thing, save your page and preview it. You should see the live chat widget pop up on your landing page. You can customize the look of it to match your branding and Tidio settings, whether you want to change the color, position, or even the message that greets visitors. But there's one catch. While this setup works and is easy to implement, it's not always the most efficient for larger businesses or those with more complex needs. LeadPages is great for simple landing pages, but if you need more advanced features like detailed customer support or automation, the live chat integration might fall short. Here's the thing, there's a better option out there that combines landing pages with more powerful features. If you're looking for a solution that not only gives you live chat, but also integrates customer support, sales funnels, and advanced automation, I recommend checking out Competitor Software. The cool thing is, with this tool, you're not only getting a live chat feature that's more robust, but you also get a suite of tools designed to help scale your business. And the best part? You get access to an exclusive and extended free trial through the link in the description. You won't find this anywhere else. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while Tidio and LeadPages are a good match, if you're looking for more comprehensive features, check out Competitor Software. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link for that exclusive trial.